welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Malshi, a Sri Lankan YouTuber who create content on makeup and skincare. So today I'm going to teach y'all how to get this simple pink smoky eye look, which I've done on our beautiful and stunning Bishari. So if you're interested to know how we got this look on her, please do stay with us until the end of the video. So guys, first I'm going to prep her skin for the makeup look today, and starting off with moisturizer, I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base. And I'm going to top it up with primer, and for today's primer I'm going to use the No Pore Blend Primer from Touch in Sol. Now I'm going to prep her eyes for the eye makeup today, and for this I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Medium Tony. Once you blend the concealer in to the eyelids, you need to set it up with powder. And for today's powder, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder in the shade 320. And for today's eye makeup look, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Nude Medium Palette. I'm going to pick up this shade right here for the base of today's look. And I'm going to blend that in with a very light hand along the crease. And then to build up my base, I'm going to pick up this shade right here. Now I'm going to use the NYX Pigment Primer to the inner corners of our eyelids, because I just want to keep the pigment of the color that I'm going to apply later in place and intensify the color payoff. And now I'm going to go in with this beautiful shimmer shade for the inner corners of our eyes. Since I'm pretty much done with the eye look, I'm going to go in with the falsies, and I'm going to use the Ceylon falsies from Rochelle Beauty. So this is how the eye makeup looks so far, and now we are going to move on to the face. Starting off with foundation, I'm going to use the MAC Studio Fix foundation in the shade NC40. And for the concealer, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Medium Tony. So I'll be just concealing her under eyes and the places where I see a bit of pigmentation. Now I'm going to set her foundation in place with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake a Loose and Setting Powder in the shade Cinnamon Bun. And now I'm getting back to the eyes. For the lower waterline, I'm going to use the Vienna Cosmetics Black Kajal eyeliner. And now to smoke out the eyeliner a bit, I'm going to use the Bella Black Single Black Eyeshadow from Milani Cosmetics. And now for her brows, I'm going to use the Unbeliever Brow Gel from L'Oreal Cosmetics. I'm not going to change the shape or anything. I'm just going to fill in the gaps for eyebrows. And for the contouring, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker Contour Powder in the shade Caramel Cutie. I'm just going to go for a very soft contouring. I'll be contouring her cheekbones, the nose and the jawline. And for the blush, I'm going to use the Sephora Colorful Blush in the shade Heated. I'm really very sorry guys, unfortunately we have forgotten to film the part where I highlight her face, but just putting it out there, I use the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter in the shade Mean Money. And guys, to finish off the look, I'm going to go with lipstick. So I'll be using the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Trendsetter. Just realized that I haven't applied mascara, so I'll be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara for today's eye look. So there you go. Here's a little close-up. I hope everyone loved the makeup look I did on Bishari today. She's looking absolutely gorgeous. So if you love this video, just give it a thumbs up, and if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and show me some love. I'm hoping to see you guys soon, hopefully in another week with another fun video. Until then, have a great week, and yeah, before I go, please drop your comments, suggestions and everything in the comment section below. And yeah, so see you soon. Have a great week, have fun, and bye.